Hey guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and today I have my 5 tips on time management and productivity.
Gonna love you, honey, on and on and on. I'm a morning dove singing out a song.
This is a collaboration with my great friends Tamala D and Erin Williams. I will link both of their videos below. Be sure to check their videos out when you're done watching this and tell them that I sent you. And if you're coming from their channel, welcome, and I hope you'll stick around. My first tip is to get some sort of planning system. I personally love a good old paper planner. I use the Plum Paper Planner, and I have several videos on what this is and how I use it, which I will link below. I recently did a review of an Erin planner, which is another really good one. That's what works for me. Maybe a simple to-do list works for you, or you want to do it electronically on your phone or on your computer. I don't think it matters as long as it works for you and it's something that you can keep up with. I think writing things down is half the battle, and once we do that, we're so much more likely to follow through. Tip number 2 is to time block. Women love to multitask, and yes, we are better at it than men, but usually just focusing on one thing and only that one thing until it's done is the way to go. And so I like to time block, especially at work. I'll do my to-do list for the day in my planner, and I'll assign minutes to each task, how many minutes I think it should take me to complete each task. Because if I give myself all day to do something, it will take me all day to do it. But if I give myself 30 minutes, 45 minutes, I can usually get it done in that amount of time. I love this timer. It is a dice, it's a block, so it's good for time blocking. And I've talked about this before, I will link it below. But there are 4 sides, 60 minutes, 5 minutes, 15, and 30, and then the top says 0. So if you want to get a task done in 15 minutes, you just put the 15 to the top and it'll start counting down. I just like it. It's a visual reminder. It's kind of fun, and I use this all the time at work. My third tip is to do the hardest tasks when you have the most energy. Know yourself and your body. So for me, every day around 2, 3 o'clock, I crash. I cannot do tasks that take a lot of mental energy. I can't do a lot of meetings. I just save all of my boring, busy work for that time because I know I'm not going to be able to do the things that take a lot of mental energy and social energy and decision making. So I do all of those tasks in the morning because I know I have the energy to do it, and save the busy work for the afternoon. I've also been doing that with YouTube lately. I used to do YouTube after my son goes to bed, but I realized that, again, I'm kind of done for the day at that time. So instead, I've been getting up a little extra early, and I've been doing all my editing early in the morning before James wakes up, before I go to work, because I know that I do my best work at that time. My fourth tip has to do with cleaning, and I learned this from YouTuber How Jen Does It. I will link her channel below, but she has a daily cleaning list, a weekly cleaning list, and it's always the same every day and every week, and she cleans her house in the same exact order every week. And so I've tried to implement this as well, and it really helps because it takes all the brain work out of it. Like, you don't have to think, oh, I need to clean this room and then I need to clean that room. You're just on autopilot. You pick up your dusting materials, you start in the same room in the same corner, and you just work your way through. And again, you're just on autopilot, and it makes cleaning so much more efficient. My fifth tip has to do when you are just feeling sluggish and you don't want to do anything, you have no motivation. And this tip is a little weird, but it wouldn't be a video for me if I didn't add some woo into it. I recently picked up this tip from Tony Robbins, and he says you need to move your body to change your mood. how important movement is and how important music can be too to change your mood. So whenever I'm feeling sluggish, and this is a little weird, I'll put on some music and just move my body in a different weird way. Like he just says, you gotta move your body. And I'll just do that for a couple minutes, and it really does help change my mood, change my energy, and gets me going so I can complete what is on my list for the day. I hope you found my 5 tips helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. I'd love to have you stick around by hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget to check out Tamala and Erin's videos, which are linked below. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and whatever your plans are, I hope you get them done. Bye guys.
Ooh.